Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. If your CANON Pixma G3470 MegaTank leaves lines, black or colored lines on the paper when it's printing, so you should clean the rollers on this device, and now I'm gonna show you how to do that. Cool. Firstly, just scroll down and choose maintenance. Afterwards, scroll down. I'm gonna show you it's closer. And here you will see roller cleaning. Click OK and click OK. And firstly, we should remove all the loaded paper and click OK. Click OK and wait a while. Okay, that's it. And now, as you can see, we have information. So check that 3 or more sheets of A4 or later size plain paper are loaded. And then click OK. So load 3 or more cards on the paper place. And then click OK. And as you can see, the paper card is white, completely white and completely clean. It means that problem with black lines was successfully resolved. Thanks for watching and bye, see you!